The warmth of a home is felt beneath one's feet. Comfort is the quiet yet profound touch that shapes human living. Behind this warmth lies an integrated engineering system operating beneath the floor, designed in accordance with the highest standards of advanced engineering. Hot water flows smoothly through a low-friction inner surface, allowing the system to operate at maximum efficiency. Across every bend and throughout the entire network, a balanced and uniform heat distribution is achieved. The multi-layer structure demonstrates high resistance to elevated temperatures and pressure. An oxygen barrier prevents corrosion, while the flexible molecular structure maintains dimensional stability even in tight bends and ensures homogeneous heat emission. High flexibility contributes to faster installation, as the system adapts easily over EPS insulation panels. Elastica, the point where concealed engineering beneath the floor meets optimal comfort. Technology embedded beneath the flooring transforms above into a sense of tranquility. When you are together with those you love, warmth becomes more than comfort. It becomes a source of safety and happiness. The warmth that spreads throughout your home gives life its distinctive character, and every step taken with care is the true source of the warmth that turns a house into a home.